full of melodies. Two siblings shared a bond through music.
Your music is amazing, brother.
And together we can make it even more magical.
But behind admiration, a quiet longing began to grow.
I want people to notice me too.
Fame and attention stirred feelings that would test their bond. Would envy overshadow love, or could forgiveness restore harmony? Two hearts, one performance, and a choice that could change everything. A single action could shatter more than just music. And in that moment, everything changed. Would trust and love survive the test? A guiding hand and an open heart held the key to forgiveness. Coming up, a story of envy, regret, and the healing power of love. Two siblings, Inaaya and Azaan, loved music more than anything. Every morning, they walked together, ready to play their favorite tunes.
Come on, Inaaya, let's play our morning song.
I am coming, brother.
Azaan's flute danced in the sunlight, its melody light and cheerful. Inaaya watched him, her heart full of admiration.
You make it sound magical.
And you will make it even more beautiful with your violin someday.
She practiced diligently, happy to be part of the music.
One day I will play as beautifully as him.
After playing, they walked home together, laughing and sharing stories.
Oops, you missed that note.
I will get it next time.
He guided her patiently, encouraging her every step.
Hold it like this, see? Better.
Thanks, brother.
Music was their bond, stronger than words. Sometimes she practiced alone, dreaming of being admired too.
I want people to notice me as well.
He always shared his love for music, unaware of her growing envy.
This will help you, Inaaya. Let's practice together tomorrow.
She admired him, but a longing to shine on her own stirred quietly.
Why does he always get all the attention?
As night fell, a quiet seed of jealousy began to grow in Inaaya's heart. One morning, their mother brought news of a music competition in the village.
This is for both of you. Perform together and support each other.
Azaan was eager to participate, excited to perform with his sister.
Yay, we will do it together. It will be fun.
Fun, or maybe a chance to be noticed.
They practiced daily, coordinating melodies, but Inaaya's desire for recognition grew. She tried to perfect her music alone, imagining the applause on the big day.
If I play perfectly, maybe everyone will notice me more than him.
Their mother reminded them to perform as a team, teaching that music is about harmony, not winning.
Remember, children, play together with your hearts.
Envy had quietly taken root in Inaya's heart.
Maybe I want the spotlight for myself.
Their harmony remained, but small disagreements appeared as Inaya struggled with her feelings. She imagined taking the applause for herself, a dangerous thought forming.
If I just make it mine.
Final day approached. Their mother encouraged teamwork.
Support each other and play as one.
Their hearts were full of excitement and hidden emotions. Temptation whispered in Inaya's mind. The urge to outshine her brother grew stronger. He only wanted to perform together.
We will do our best, Inaya.
Her heart battled between love for her brother and desire for recognition. The moment had arrived, the big performance. The envy inside her had reached a breaking point. She held the flute, heart racing.
If I do this, I can shine alone.
With the swift motion, the flute broke.
I have to get out before he sees.
And she ran outside before anyone noticed. Her heart pounded, guilt and fear collided with the excitement of her plan. When it was their turn, Azaan saw the broken flute.
Huh? What? Inaya? What happened?
I don't know. What do we do now?
He felt hurt, but he didn't let anger take over. Instead, he encouraged her.
It's okay. Go. You do it alone. I will cheer for you.
She played flawlessly and won the performance. Yet the applause felt hollow as she held the chocolates he gave.
Congratulations, Inaya. You did amazing. I'm so proud of you.
I hurt him to win. How could I be happy when he is so kind to me?
As night fell, the taste of victory turned bitter. She realized her jealousy had led her astray.
I have done wrong. I must make it right.
The shattered flute was a mirror of the hurt she had caused. Every quiet moment reminded her of the mistake she had made.
I need to apologize. I can't let him stay hurt.
With the first light of dawn, she decided to seek her mother's guidance before approaching Azaan. She went to her mother heart pounding, needing guidance and forgiveness.
Mama, I broke Azan's flute. I wanted to win. I was jealous.
What you did was really wrong. But it takes courage to admit your mistakes, Inaya. Now you must apologize sincerely to your brother.
I will. I promise.
With trembling hands and a heavy heart, she tried to make things right.
I'm so sorry, Azan. I broke your flute. Please forgive me.
What? What you just said? You did that? I don't want to talk to you right now. Go from here.
She tried small gestures to make him smile. Chocolates, cleaned his practice area, cheerful tunes, but nothing worked. Even the kindest efforts failed to reach him. Her heart ached more with every attempt. Night after night, regret haunted her. She realized the depth of her mistake and her brother's hurt. Her mother saw her genuine effort and went to guide Azan.
Azan, see how hard she is trying. She is truly sorry and wants to make things right.
Slowly, he began to see the truth behind her actions and her sincerity.
I will do anything to make it right, brother. Please forgive me.
Finally, he embraced her apology. Their bond, tested and strained, was restored.
I forgive you, Inaya. It's okay. Let's be together again.
Their music now carried a deeper meaning of love, understanding, and forgiveness. Even quiet moments reflected the strength of their restored bond. Music became a celebration of unity, love, and second chances. They played not to win, but to express their hearts fully. Jealousy and hurt had faded, replaced by understanding and trust. Forgiveness healed the heart, stronger and more beautiful than before. Music became a celebration of their hearts shared with the world. They understood that true happiness comes from love, honesty, and sincere effort. Even small gestures now carried meaning, proof of their renewed bond. Every note was now a harmony of hearts, not rivalry. Their mother smiled, knowing love and guidance had mended the broken bond. Their steps were lighter, hearts at peace. They realized that success without love and honesty felt empty. Forgiveness and understanding made their bond unbreakable. Music became a bridge uniting hearts in joy and celebration. Through trials, they learned the joy of unity and heartfelt effort. Guidance, patience, and love had nurtured them into better siblings and musicians. So, cherish your relationships, forgive mistakes, and celebrate each other's successes. Share love, practice forgiveness, and make every bond stronger because kindness and understanding are the true melodies of life. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this story.